In the heart of a prosperous residential area in Singapore, the Water Garden House, designed by Wallflower Architecture, stands out for featuring a waterfall characteristic in its design. The site of this house is perfectly circular when seen from above, which is a unique feature in Singapore. The sloping topography and circular shape of the land posed clear challenges for the architects, who embraced a C-shaped configuration with an outward-facing courtyard as a solution. Nestled among mature trees, the house enjoys uncommon privacy in this dense urban terrain, in close proximity to the bustle beyond this highly sought-after neighborhood. The main entrance reveals a narrow passage that descends to the level of the existing platform, first floor, before the land slopes further towards the valley. The absence of lawn areas on the circular plot was compensated by the integration of lush vegetation at all levels of the house. The pool edge empties as a waterfall, providing a delightful view upon entering the basement lobby. The entire facade of the house is clad in operable teakwood screens, allowing control of privacy and the microenvironment within the rooms. A filtering of hanging plants softens the facade around the pool, while the material palette was deliberately limited to travertine and basalt. Each space harmoniously connects through curved architectural forms and sloping facades in harmony with the movement of water and the arrangement of the land.